we definitely want to make sure we're prepared for it and sanitizing and cleaning and doing what we're supposed to do. Every day, we start at 5 in the morning. All the city buildings, fleet maintenance, anywhere that the city has anything to do with Parks and Recreation Center, we will be sanitizing them, detail cleaning them, inside and the exterior doors, windows, all of that. Before we was using a solution that just basically disinfects and it kills small viruses. This solution that we're using now is a much stronger solution. It's green, and we use it because it has formula to kill higher viruses like coronavirus. It's a deeper germicidal solution. We're going to make sure that we clean and sanitize everything to make sure all the city buildings are safe for the public and for those that are working in these buildings. We're going to make sure that each and every citizen that come in a city building or Parks and Rec building or recreation center, that they should know and feel comfortable that we are taking every precaution, every measurement to ensure that that building is sanitized and clean daily, 3-4 times a day. So these facilities have people in them all day. So we make sure that they have the solutions that they need and they have everything, the gloves, every precaution that we need to take. The city has put it in place for us. So there's nothing to worry about as far as the building being unclean. You can feel safe to come in any city building in the city of Fayetteville and just be cautious.